Hey guys, you're welcome. It's Akahilz. We have Bitcoin bounces back slightly on CoinMarketCap. So this is the price movement updates on CoinMarketCap. So there's this Buybit campaign currently going on where you get discounts on your sign-ups on registering on Buybit platform. So you want to check out this platform so you can benefit from these particular updates. So next on the list is Bitcoin. You can see the heat map. Everything here is about red. So it shows how far that is currently struggling, and hopefully, the dominance is in 41.96% for BTC. Then we have BNB. I think the coins are in good shapes here. There are very few. We have the DAI token, then Argo, then I think some other ones. Can it be with my background noise? Currently having some issues here. Then for the top 5 trending coins, crypto assets for that Phantom, Calata, Solana. Solana is really trending, guys. So you want to check out the project and see what it's all about. We have Fetch Aid, then Ethereum is trending. We have top 5 gainers for today. We have Aircoin. Aircoin made massive pump, guys. 9,554%. That's massive. We have like Latam Cash, One Share, Ludos Protocol, and Peculium. Then for top 5 losers, we have Bitcoin, 3x Long, Tomo Chain Token. Then we have Siphon, Nuko, Cloud. We have Zushi. So guys, these are the updates on CoinMarketCap today. They have the okay. Aside CoinMarketCap being these daily price data updates company, they also have watchlist events for where participants can get access to free cryptocurrencies, such as when you partake in their watchlist event, portfolio gainers, and Bitcoin price prediction and crypto. Okay, there are other updates you can get on there. So guys, I'll be dropping all the links you need in the description box, so feel free to join, feel free to sign up. Akahilz, one love, peace out, stay blessed, and see you in our future uploads.